Now let's try an example using molar volumes. So what volume is occupied by 1.5 litres of ammonia gas at STP? So we need to write down our formula and tell our marker what we're doing. So the number of moles of ammonia is equal to V over 22.71. So the number of moles was 1.5 equals V over 22.71. Now we're going to rearrange to find the volume. So the volume will equal 1.5 times 22.71, which is equal to 34 litres. To two significant figures, 1, 2 significant figures there, 2, 1, 2 significant figures there. Let's try the second example. It says how many moles of hydrogen are in 15 litres at STP. So using the formula, we go the number of moles of hydrogen is equal to V over 22.71. The number of moles we don't know, but we know the volume is 15 over 22.71, and this equals 0.66 moles to two significant figures. Let's try our third example. Now the third example is a little bit trickier. This question here says what volume will 5 grams of oxygen occupy at STP? Now the unifying concept is the mole. So the first step must be to find the mole. Now because we've got a mass, we're going to have to use the number of moles of oxygen is equal to a mass over a formula mass. Be careful, oxygen is diatomic, so that means you go 5 divided by 32 grams. And this will equal 0.15625 moles. So now that we've got the moles, we can actually find the volume by using the number of moles of oxygen is equal to V over 22.71. The number of moles was 0.15625 equals V divided by 22.71. So the volume then will equal number 0.15625 times 22.71, and this comes out to a volume of 3.5 litres. But this was only in one significant figure, so the final answer will be 4 litres.